All right, today's gonna be a rant on mileage and secrets. I'm gonna be talking about multiple accounts. If you're interested in this traffic source, guys, I hope this video helps you. Let's hop onto my computer. I want to make it concise and share with you exactly my points related to multiple accounts. What's going on, guys? Happy to have you here. We're going to be talking about mileage and secrets today. It's a Monday, and I wanted to first and foremost thank you guys for following, because this topic specifically, every single Monday when I post a mileage and secret, I know that there are people who are returning back and watching the videos, and also just everybody following my journey. I appreciate the support a lot, and I hope these videos are helpful for you. So please let me know in the comments at any point of time if you want me to go a little bit more detail into certain aspects or strategies. I don't know everything related to mileage and secrets. I don't work for the company, but I'm using the tool on a daily basis, so I hope that it helps you guys. But in a nutshell, I wanted to make this video more as me just talking about my experience and sharing with you guys about my Legion Secret, because there are a lot of opinions out there that are good, bad. Some people even saying that, you don't, it's such an easy mess, it's such an easy platform that you don't really need to do anything, you just need to copy paste. I wanted to clear my thoughts related to all of this, because obviously everybody is entitled to their own opinion. But I did want to share my experience. I'm not a top marketer, guys. I am somebody who has been using my Legion Secret for more or less a year and a half. In March it will be 2 years that I've been using this system or this platform, and I am using multiple accounts now. I first started with one account for the longest time, and I was very strict with myself, because I said my budget is, I have that $30 every single month. I'm going to be using that $30 every single month. If I'm 10xing that, I don't need to worry about having multiple accounts. My aim is just to 10x that. When is the right time for me to actually open another account will show itself, or will present itself to me. And that's what it did in September this year. It presented itself as an opportunity for me to also create a recurring income for myself with mileage and secrets. And I said, okay, I've got the consistency of, and I understand the leads, I understand what I need to do, I understand how much work I need to put in, how much time I can do this on the side, I can stay consistent with it. So I had all my, let's say, criteria, or my criteria is blocked and confirmed, so that I could go ahead and get a second account. So I have multiple accounts. The advantages of multiple accounts. Obviously, the advantage of multiple accounts, the first biggest advantage is that you have double the amount of leads, or triple the amount of leads, or quadruple amount of leads, because if you get 4 accounts or 5 accounts, then you have that many leads than you would with having one account. So that's an obvious advantage, right? You have more volume to be emailing out to people. That's the first advantage. The second advantage is that you're also doubling that, because instead of getting 100 leads per account, now you're getting 200 leads per account, except for the last account, because you join under yourself, right? So that way you're technically kind of saving yourself some money in the long term, because you don't get everything back, but you get at least your $4 or $5 back on each account that you have, because you're signing up under yourself, right? So it does come back to you eventually, not the whole amount, but it does some things come back to you in the long term. So there's a financial benefit to it, there's a lead benefit to it. These are all practical things that I'm just saying will exist just because how my Legion Secret is set up. So these are the advantages of having multiple accounts. But I would say refrain from doing it if you do not know what you're doing. You see, the reason why I started with one account for the longest time is, by the way, guys, before I go ahead and share this information, I know I'm on a rant, so I'm going to stop and at different times just to say this, but hit that subscribe button and the bell notification. I would appreciate it if you're here, if you're following this journey. I have all my training, by the way, in the description of this video. You can go to the entire playlist on my Legion Secret. There's everything under the sun, a whole year's worth of videos, all there for you guys. Okay, so if you need it, the information is there, the training is there, and I'm here to make better videos also in the future accordingly. Okay, but this is the group, this is the main members group. You're not allowed in this group if you're not a member, and it's got 5,900 people, and you can see from this, there's people giving advice, there are people showing you results, different products, services. So this is me also showing you guys some results, and it keeps going on and on. What people have been reaching out to me actually is specifically to ask me, what are you doing differently? How come you're getting these results when you just open a new account? I've already got 4 sales or 5 sales within my first month of opening a new account. That is quite good, to be honest, for my leads and secrets. What kind of leads are they? They're co-registration leads in the make money online niche. So you need to know all these things. You need to know your traffic before you actually know your audience, before you actually write to them. That's just how it is. Okay. So I personally have an idea that these people are looking to have that side hustle, to have that side income, to make some money online. Therefore, I tailor my emails accordingly. Now, I didn't cover this, so I'm just going to say this very clearly. My Legion Secrets as a product just gives you 100 to 200 leads every day. You pay $60 the first month to get started, and then $30 every single month after that. Okay, just wanted to cover that. The link to this page is in the description of this video. I use my Legion Secrets. Now I'll just shift to how I use it. I use my Legion Secrets in this format. Okay, so it is a catalyst to my entire strategy. This is everything I do. And the first step is just sending out an email on my Legion Secret every single day with an offer. And I use affiliate networks like Warrior Plus affiliate network, like ClickBank affiliate network. These are networks that I personally use to send leads or send emails, email market every single day with my Legion Secret. As you can see, this the aim of step one is to create those cash flow, that cash flow. So create that commission. It's not about collecting a lead. It's not about having the lead come onto my email list. Why? Because my Legion Secret keeps accumulating more and more leads. So I use my Legion Secret, let's say, as an email autoresponder rather than a lead source. I'm automatically getting leads there. So I'm just going to email those leads to an offer. That's how I look at it. And obviously, if that goes, it goes. I'm not bothered by it. This is the way I'm working. Okay. And what it did for me is that it allowed me to take that cash and then use it to buy advertising. Yes, I use paid advertising to build my email list. And that's what I'm doing. Okay, that's pretty much it. So my Legion Secret is a catalyst. Now, how do I go about doing that? As I said, I use 2 affiliate networks. On Warrior Plus, my offers, everything that I share and I own are offers that range between $10 and I think the most expensive is around $50. So it's within this, I look at it as within the range of somebody who would need to purchase my Legion Secret. Imagine if I was promoting my Legion Secret to my Legion Secret leads. The first month they would need to pay $60. So anything in this range of $60 has been converting really well for me. This is how I look at it. So I don't share anything above that $60, $50, $60 limit. Now that, don't get me wrong, sometimes I do get sales with higher commissions and stuff like that, but I can see more frequent sales with this range of commissions. It's just what I look at, and it's what I'm getting. Warrior Plus, however, I have one-time payment products, right? So I need to keep making consistent sales every single month for me to gain that income, and I do. Okay, it's now become pretty predictable that at least three times a week I make sales. At least this is the bare minimum. So every Monday, pretty much I can say right now, every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday I make a sale. Usually on a Saturday and Sunday I get also sales, but it really depends, right? So Monday, Wednesday, Friday is the minimum that I make sales every single week, and this is very nice to see because it's bringing consistency more than anything else, and I'm also making more sales and more commissions every single month, and it's stability more than anything else. Is stability. So anywhere between 18 to around 30 sales per month is what I'm doing at the moment, and that's one time every single month. Okay, so Warrior Plus offers, you can see evergreen offers that convert throughout the year. That's how I look at it. When I open my second account, and I'm saying this to give you guys feedback, when I opened my second account, the whole purpose of the second account was to build up a recurring source of income. Because if I can make around 18 to 19 sales every single month, let's say an average of 15 sales every single month, and I have an average of 15 sales every single month within the recurring offers, that means in 3 months, I've made 15, 15, 15, which is 45 sales. On average, what I'm earning from ClickBank, let's just put it that way, okay? From ClickBank sessions, I'm earning $18.25 per sale, okay? So if I make around, what did I say? Around 15 sales per month, that gives me $273.75 every single month. But let's say in a quarter, I made 45 sales. That is, as you can see, this is just counting the 15 sales per month, and this is not counting the recurring, right? So in a quarter, I made 820, which means the next quarter, let's say I make another 45 sales. Okay, so that's 820 plus it basically into 2. Okay, so now I've created an income for myself, which is recurring over 1,600 every month, right? Every 3 months. So if you divide this by 3, you see that it is, you see that it's about $500 a month, right? This is what I want to create, but this obviously will accumulate. And again, this is not counting the recurring that's coming in. This is just purely the sales per month, right? So if I get 15, I'm already happy. That's the kind of aim that I want to get at, where I'm making predictable income in terms of even recurring income that's coming in. It just makes the whole process a bit more stable, and that's how I envisioned it. But the whole purpose of multiple accounts, firstly, is I knew one was a recurring account and one was a Warrior Plus account. I could double it and have both Warrior Plus, but then I think it doesn't meet its needs. I wanted to show you also very realistically that I walk the walk, and I tried these different things to help you understand. Now you can see my Warrior Plus earnings, and then you will see my clickback earnings, and you can decide for yourself which one maybe is the better option for you. Yes. Anything else? I'm just thinking if there's anything else that I want to say about multiple accounts. Don't have too many accounts in the beginning, because I always say that it's great to start off with 1 or 2 accounts just because it's manageable, you're learning, and I took time to learn the first year. And so when I started the second year with the next account, it was just easier. And as I said, in my first month, I made 4 sales. And I hope that this month I make another at least 4 to 5 sales so that it starts to grow. And then that becomes better and better over time. But this is the whole aim, to get it to at least $1,000 every single month on the second account. And then I will average basically $1,300 every single month. That's my aim. And from that, for sure, $300 will go into my pocket. The rest will go back into this exact strategy. And I will keep, moving forward and chugging forward, because it's not about getting rich, right? It's about knowing that you have a stability in your income flow. And then obviously when you grow in your email list, that is when you can scale up your business much more. But again, I talk about this in my own strategy. I hope this rant made sense. I do get a little bit upset sometimes when people say that having mileage and secret accounts, you just need to copy paste. I do get a little bit annoyed hearing that from time to time, and I've heard a few marketers say it. And don't get me wrong, it's not like they don't convert, but I believe and I can see for myself that I'm getting higher conversions when you care about getting to know those leads. Okay, so I'm just going to say that. When you don't care about it, when you're copy pasting, you might get a sale every now and then. When you start to really apply the skill set of email marketing, I see that you get more frequent sales. That's just my personal experience. Could be different for you. It could be different for me. Could be different for everybody, but I just wanted to share that. So if you have any questions, let me know below. If you want to get started with mileage and secret, links are all in the description of this video. Otherwise, I'm going to see you guys on the next video, which is on Wednesday, and I hope that you are paving the way for your dreams to come true. Thanks again for watching, guys. Thanks for being here, and I will see you on the next one.